Well, we'll check the parameters of the property itself. We're looking to setbacks, lot coverage, that all comes from the planning department. We'll take a look at your existing property, do what we call as-built dimensions, so we get a good accurate site plan. Then we can use that to identify where the addition's going and what your square footage is going to be when you're finished. And those are kind of like the first steps. It's getting all the requirements together for the planning department. And then once that's completed and approved, then we would work on the working drawings, structural engineering, Title 24, and energy requirements and green building requirements, which are new.